Let me give you an overview of the basic tools and panels in Adobe InDesign. On the left hand side we have the tools. Along the top we have the control settings. These change the settings of the tools. And on the right hand side we have the panel groups. These are settings that have been grouped together for ease of use. Together this makes the workspace. For this brochure we're going to change the workspace. To do that, go over to Window and select Workspace and check Advanced. You'll see the panels have changed. To expand the panels, click on the arrow in the top right hand corner. You can move the tabs about by dragging them, or even dragging them out of the window. You can arrange the panels as you like. These are now the panels we need to make this brochure.